Alright, this is where my main flock is now. All my different birds. Yeah, this is their run. There's 2 runs. Used to be electric fence, it's not anymore. It's electric fence with chicken wire on it, and then the other one's just that poultry netting. It goes pretty far. This is the 4.5 foot feeder. I don't know how long this will last, but I'm hoping it'll last pretty good. This is the frost-free water. Somebody's here. Oh, it's the marriage person, what do you call it? Postal person.